Hey guys, today in this video I'll show you how you can download WhatsApp in laptop. So keep watching till the very end and let's get started. Basically, there are two ways that you can use to download WhatsApp on your PC. For the first method, open any type of preferred browser on your PC or laptop and search for WhatsApp web. Now, open the first website that comes up the results and click on the three dots menu at top right corner of your screen. Now, go to this Share feature inside the drop-down menu and click on Create Shortcut. Now, name it anything you want, check mark this feature and then click on Create. After creating the shortcut, go to the desktop homepage and you can see that there is a new app present here. If you open it up, WhatsApp web will be launched and you can use it to log into your account. The other method includes the Microsoft Store. For that, go to the search menu at the bottom of the screen and search for Microsoft Store. Now open it up and search for WhatsApp. Here, click on the WhatsApp tile and install it on your laptop. So that's basically how you can download WhatsApp in laptop. So that's all for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.